You are on the channel Easy Drawing with Mom, and today we are going to draw one cute unicorn. It's very easy and funny drawing. Let's start from the head. Head of unicorn is looks like this. Nose, smile, one big round eye, and a star inside of this, some eyelashes, cheek in the shape of heart, then one cute ear. Then we add some hair. It's the mane of our unicorn. Horn. Some more hair. Okay. The line like this is and here. Then we add more mane of the horse of this unicorn. It will be colorful. So many colors will be here. Okay, then legs. Very easy drawing. And like this probably. Then we add the tummy and two more legs like this, and second one. Okay, hooves here and here. Okay, what's missed? Of course, it's the tail of our unicorn. It will be here. Also will be colorful. Okay, I will add some shapes like star, like heart, and here also some stars, hearts, so cute and magic, our unicorn. Okay, I want to make it more big. Okay, and I think it's ready for coloring. Let's color it. Okay, I want to make it so cute. That's why I will choose light colors, and you guys can use colors that you like. It don't have to be like mine. It's your work, and you can do as you like. Here I will use many different colors: light violet, light pink, light orange. The body of my unicorn I will leave white because it's magical one. one, like this, I think. Yeah, like this, and here also. And the star is yellow. Okay. Then I will use the pink one. I need light pink, like this or this. Let's try. Oh, I think this one. It will be here. And here. The hooves also will be pink. Okay, where is my light blue? Light blue for this star. Pink one for this part. Okay. This marker is a bit different, you see, it's like brush. Okay, the orange one, let me choose the probably one of these. This called I have more than 200 colors of markers, so it's a bit difficult for me to choose the right one, the one I will enjoy. Also, I would like to draw with you one cool unicorn with wings. Write me in the comments if you like. It's very important for me. Okay, I need to blue one, but maybe like this. No, more blue, light blue like this. Okay, violet star here. Orange for this star. Pink here, pink star. Okay, and pink is here, and dark more. I will use this blue one for the eyes, and I want to add some contour. I think it's ready for now. How do you like our so cute unicorn? Thank you for watching, and I will be waiting for you on my next lessons. See you!